Kombo, Magatambe, Chiaji Mateta. simbaba yingana nkamambangala mpewo matakanga mibaku bingonga munzenze tikakasani kukampasi talubyenge magatambete chinkala yonkama matumbu ntonkama mbamumanye tonsomoni tamundongo chilandi ni makumbu mambombo lukami ome minangela luomo nankankata nganga kobo matula manzakala ni tati bwatu kodi amadietu wanlanda magatambete indamba vinza mpangala kimbaya na mambyo mayama kisuka luweto ni Kongo kamusitwe yaya magatambete yaya magatambete yarange mpyo emanga ifuru ike bangese chikingele inge ina fumango sokondo ngiti uwanga malie ngami vale inoni paleza mwamele fini silabu jisaluka maatana mazandu mama kutu kumbune
Hello, thank you. Welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutonde lengiza mbote. Sitononga ndinga cheto, ndinga ikongo, ndinga kia kintinu kia Congo da totila. Tutondele. Thank you very much, brother and sister. Let me just unmute you. Yes. Okay. Tatale. Kiambote.
Kiambote tata mpanzo.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Tunama ingeta, tunama vimpi tutondele. Yeyenu. Eh?
Tope tunoma vimpi tutondele. Nengwa tadiwa kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tunoma vimpi
Nketa tuna mavimpi ya yenu
Tope tunoma vimpi tutondele. Well done, yes. Okay, let me just share my file. 1 minute, okay, something. Take here, okay, 1 minute. Well done, wow. So you can say hello in Kikongo, that's good. Okay, great people in Kikongo, Tata, yeah.
Absolutely. I need to be able to do more than just greet.
Yeah,
That's true.
you're doing well, yeah. Step by step, don't worry. Don't panic, step by step, totally.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Yes, okay, we need, okay. Let's go put this in this. Yeah, okay. Nengo tariwa. Can you read for us, please?
Diambote ewaukwe be ke diambote nkutuko.
Ke diambote nkutuko. Diambote ke wakwe. You can ignore the U. Just make it ke wakwe ve. Ke diambote nkutuko. Nkutu. The translation is there. Just to underline. Emphasizing, yes. Tata Allen, please.
Dialudi Kewakwe Ve Kialudi Kutuko.
Kedialudi Kutuko.
Kedialudi Kutuko.
Kedialudi Kutuko.
Kedialudi Kutuko.
Yes. Tutondele. Nengwa tadiwa.
Diasivi ke wakwe ve ke diasivi kutuko.
Ke diasivi kutuko. Tata Allen, please.
Dia pimpita ke wakwe ve ke dia pimpita kutuku.
Ke dia pimpita kutuku.
Ke dia pimpita kutuku.
Yeah, let me just go back here. Dia pimpita ke wakwe ve ke dia remember?
Yeah.
Two long vowel. Ke dia pimpita kutuko. Thank you. Nengwa tadiwa.
Diasikila ke wakwe ve ke diasikila kutuko.
Diasikila. Can you read it again, please? Diasikila ke wakwe ve ke diasikila kutuko.
Diasikila ke wakwe ve ke diasikila kutuko.
Thank you. Tata Ale.
Diakizowa ke wakwe ve ke diakizowa kutuku.
Ke diakizowa kutuku, yes. Next one, Nengwa tadiwa, please. We have a long vowel, yeah?
Diangangu ke wakwe ve ke diangangu kutuko.
Yes, this is Kikongo. Tata, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Just one word.
Oh, you're going to say,
is there, but ke dia, see? We make it two. Two words, you see? Ke dia. But this is not me, the experts. They say that we have to linguistics. I mean, they say that we have to write like this because it flows. You don't read like, you don't pause when you're reading. You don't say ke dia ngangu. You read as one word. Ke dia ngangu. Are you with me?
Yeah.
This is how we write it. Because this is a prefix, see? K. Twins. Remember twin, negative twins, yeah? They go together. K, ko, yes?
Okay.
Remember this, Alan?
Yeah, no, yeah. So the I know the ko is basically the negative.
K and ko, like in French,
Yeah. Yeah.
je ne veux pas. As soon as you say je ne, I know that pa
Okay.
is coming. K, ko. Okay, let's just move. We're coming back to that. Then what tell you, please?
No, it's I think it's my turn.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, too.
Okay. Dialuvunu ke wako ve ke dialuvunu kutuku.
Ke dialuvunu kutuko.
Ke dialuvunu kutuku.
Nengo tadiwa.
Diankenda ke wakwe ve ke diankenda kutuko.
Diankenda. Can you do it again, please? Can you read again the long vowel? Diankenda, please.
Diankenda ke wakwe ve ke diankenda kutuko.
Yes. Diankenda kutuko. Yes. For the next one. Tata Allen.
Kwanda ke wako. Kwanda ke wako ve ke kwanda ke wako
Ke kwanda be Nico. Can you do it again, please? Can you read it again?
Ve okay. Kwanda ke wako
Ke wako
ve ke kwanda nkutuku.
Ke kwanda nkutuku, yes. Next one. Ngwataliwa.
Is it a long vowel?
Kwankufi. Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
I just thought that I didn't know it was a long vowel. Let me see it now. Kwankufi ke wakwe ve ke kwankufi kutuko.
Yeah, again, please.
Kwankufi ke wakwe ve ke kwankufi kutuko.
Yeah. Ke kwankufi kutuko. Nkutuko.
Kutuko.
Even Lingala use that word, kutu. Is that kutu? They use that word. This emphasizing, to emphasize, kutu. Yes, well done. So we're done. Let us just go back a bit. There are some questions here. Yes, this is very interesting. Kizole, either have a K-I or K-E. They go together with ko. It goes together with ko, yes?
So are you saying that we could either say it as ki diankenda or ke diankenda?
No, I'm just giving an example for negative. Not in this case. Not in this case.
Okay.
If I say kizoleleko, zola means want. I mean, can be love, want, to like. Yeah, can be like, want. If I say kizoleleko, zola is a verb. let's say we use I don't want. What say I don't want? Kizoleleko. Ki and ko, they go together. The twins. They're twins. Are you with me?
Yeah.
They're twins. Yeah. Used to say negative in Congo. You either use in this case on the screen we have a K-E, sorry. But either we have K-E or K-I. Kizoleleko. I don't want. But linguists, not me, they said we have to use it as one word. Linguists, the linguistic science says that we have to Kikongo. Said that we have to read as one word. See?
Okay.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Here we have a K-E, K, Ko. Then we have dia. Dia is a prefix as well. The root word, the main thing here is kenda. It's okay. That's that, eh?
Yeah, no, I'm following.
You sure?
I'm following.
Nengo Teddy, are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I'm going to give you exercise.
Okay.
Yeah, there was a new vocabulary that you introduced during this one right here. Yeah, I think it was amazing.
Sorry?
I haven't seen that. No, it said there was a new vocabulary in this series of vocabulary. I think.
Oh, this lesson, you mean?
Yeah, in this lesson, I think the word,
Oh.
the translation is amazing. I haven't seen that one yet.
Wow.
I think it was like either the first or second.
Slide?
In
Let
the
me
slide.
go back. I can go back. Give you 2 minutes. I'm trying to write something for you.
Okay.
Give me 2 minutes. Okay, let me just go back.
Yeah, this one. No, go forward. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, this one. I haven't seen that one in the previous lesson.
Oh, yeah. Me neither.
Okay. Yeah, exercise. That Alan. Let me just try to share my. Don't worry, it is one. Are you okay? Nengo Teddy, any question on this one?
Yes.
Go ahead, question.
No, I don't have any questions.
Oh, no question. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let me just try to share my screen. Now, 1 minute. We're done. Just quick one. Yeah, where's my file? Make it bigger. Yeah, Tatale. Can you translate this?
Zolele.
I want.
I want. Okay.
Nengo Teddy, are you okay? I want.
Yes.
You remember, Kikongo first singular is always nasal, yes? This is something you should remember.
Okay.
Always remember. Kikongo first person is always nasal. Always. Nzolele means
I want.
I want.
well done. Okay. I've already given you a clue before. How do you say I don't want? Remember the twin KK.
Kinzolele.
Well done. Ki. In this case, because we're negative, we're using we're removing N.
Okay.
With one word, yeah. Kizoleleko. Are you okay? Nengo Teddy?
Yes. Following.
Yes. That's okay?
Yeah.
Then sometimes you see like this. See? the K O chord and there's a space. There's a space, but this one goes like this. See, one word. See. So you need to remember the verb. Don't panic. You get there. We get there. Okay. Let me try to find another. Okay. Let's just make it easy for you. Kwenda. Kwenda is to go.
To go.
I'm not going. Then what tell you? I'm not going.
Say ki.
See, yeah, go.
Kwenda.
Well done, Kikwenda ko. Yes. Well done, bravo. This one is not really the same pattern, just to help you to use the negative. Yandi. This. Totally. So you missed this lesson. We call it possessive. Ame, aku. Did you do that? Ame, aku, andi. Oh, we need to go back to that. This is very important. The first thing to, the most important thing to remember here is just the andi. Andi is, it is third. We call it possessive, but you could say a personal pronoun, but in Kikongo we say possessive because the word it's used is not the same as in English or French or Portuguese.
Okay.
Yandi, I mean him. Him. Yandi. Him. Or her. Okay. I want to say it's not him, it's not her. Nengo taniwa. Nengo tata Alan.
No.
Yeah, go.
Kiyandiko.
Yeah. In this case, we don't use I, we use K, Kiyandiko.
Kiyandiko.
How do you know when to not use K?
Good question. Very hard to define, you know. Very hard to define. Yeah. This is Kikongo grammar.
So do you just know?
Sorry?
When you get better in Kikongo, do you just know when to use the key?
Yes. Kiyandiko. Kiyandiko. Very hard to define. Okay. Kiyandiko. Kikwendako. Okay, that is it. And we're done for today.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Tutondele.
Tutondele. Tuyangalele. Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, see you next Sunday. Luenda Kiambote.
Msala Kiambote.
Musala Kiambote.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.